Why did they erase this from history? As the smoke cleared over New London, the truth about the 1937 school explosion refused to stay buried, and whispers grew into a stubborn memory. The narrative follows investigators who uncovered official delays and buried data, revealing how a city faced a terrifying choice between panic and preservation. The ruins rise in rough delirium as declassified documents surface, showing missteps and hurried cover-ups that altered a generation. The footage cuts between eerie sound design, ruined classrooms, and faded maps to heighten the sense of betrayal. Was it really forgotten, or was it erased on purpose?